up, guys? Hope everybody's doing well. Today I'm going to demonstrate and show you an example on how to measure your closet so you can order quite simply a closet system from our website without designing anything, without any designing experience. So we're going to pretend that we're inside of a closet that has an L-shaped wall. It could be straight wall, it could be U-shaped. The concept is the same, so we're going to demonstrate as if it was an L-shaped wall. So we're going to pretend that first wall right here that we're measuring, we're going to open up our measuring tape, wall to wall, see what that measurement is, and then we're going to open up the measuring tape on the other wall and also see what that measurement is. So a simple L-shaped wall. I have something sketched here together to show you. So let's just say the first wall that we have is 102 inches long, and then the second wall that we measured is 108 inches long. The first thing that I want you to do is write down what kind of configuration or organization you need for your closet. If you browse on our website, you'll be able to see that we have different configurations, and each configuration comes in different sizes. So for instance, you have a double hanging that comes in different widths. You have shelves for shoe organization. You have shelves to organize your shirts. You have long hanging. You have a drawer system. Just kind of figure out what do you need to organize in your closet and write those down. Let's just fast forward and say you did that already. Now all you have to do is just a simple math. When you pick out your organization online, and I'm going to show you an example of how that works, what you're going to do is basically just do a simple math. You'll divide the total length of the wall to each of the configurations that you chose to make sure that everything fits. So for instance, here we have a 30-inch wide unit that's double hanging. We have, and this is a bird's eye view, we have an 18-inch drawer unit, we have a 24-inch shoe shelves, and then we have another double hanging at 30 inches. That does the simple math of coming up to 102 inches. The only thing that I want you to do when you're wrapping around the cabinets, so we don't kill the actual corner when the two cabinets meet together, whatever you continue the cabinets to the wall, minus 24 inches. So to go back to this piece of paper, if you have 108 inches for the other wall, all you have to do is just leave 24 inch, minus it from your 108 before you start the other row of cabinets. So you can actually see that when you put stuff here, you can reach it and grab it. So 108 inches minus the 24 allows you to put different size of configurations. Here we have a 30-inch, a 24-inch, and a 30-inch. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to actually go about ordering these closet system and explain the process of how you will get them and how you can install them, because this is a DIY project. Keep watching. Okay, all you got to do is go to our website, click on DIY closets. Once you're on there, all you got to do is click on Shop Now. And in case you forget how we measured and worked it on a piece of paper, it's right there for you so you can re-review it. You can explore the different styles and sizes that we offer. And like I said, all you got to do is choose the configuration that you want. Each configuration comes in different sizes. For example, the double hanging unit, select, for instance, 30 inches, add it to cart. You can proceed or you can go back so you can pick out more stuff. Obviously, you have a full closet, so you're going to need a lot more things. Let's just say you need the adjustable shelf unit where you can use it to organize your shoes or shirts. Choose the different size from the different sizes, add to cart. Again, go back, pick out the other configuration that you desire. We're going to say that we're going to go for the drawer unit with adjustable shelves above. And as you see, once you select the size that you want, the price adjusts based on your selection. You add it to cart. Then you can click on View Cart. You'll be able to view all the configurations and the sizes that you've added to the cart. And then you can, from there, click Checkout. And at checkout, you can just pay for the order. And once you pay for it, we will receive it and it will enter production right away. 5 to 7 days from then, it will be ready. Okay, now that you've added all your items to the cart and you made the purchase of your closet, you can expect it to be ready, as it will enter production right away when your order is submitted, and it will be ready within 5 to 7 days from when you basically ordered it online. Now you might say, Freddie, do you offer delivery and installation? I say for this kind of a closet system, we don't, because we did it in a very affordable way, kind of like for like the DIYs, but we kept you in mind. Right, so this project, once it's ready, we'll call you and say your closet is ready, come pick it up. You're gonna say, how am I going to put it in my car, or how am I going to install it? I'm going to show you guys. So I did a sketch for you here to explain. Let's just say you ordered a closet that looks like this with different configurations. Once we custom make it and get it ready, your system, your closet, for instance, like this section comes in 2 sections, top section and bottom section. And it's well protected, so it's easier to carry, lighter to carry, easier to bring it inside your house. And the best part is, unlike the big box store, you don't have to read a manual and put it together and invest the time if you don't have the the craftsmanship or being so handy to put it together. It's already pre-assembled, but it comes in 2 sections, easier to carry, it's easy to bring inside the house, and all you have to do is just put first section, second section, and screw it to the wall, and it's all said and done.